Ladies and gentlemen, the brand new MOOSOO K24 vacuum. I'm going to do an unboxing. We're going to put this bad boy to the test. So this is everything that came in the box. You have your manual. Looks like you have some attachments. The head for the carpet and the floor, the unit itself, and the extension wand. Now out of the plastic wrapping. So we have our plug for our battery charger. The battery itself, which is removable, which is nice. I'm assuming you can replace that as well. You have your brush tool and your crevice tool. I'm gonna charge the battery and we're gonna give this thing a shot. Noticed, you have to place the battery inside the unit itself while you charge it, because the charger actually connects to the unit and not the battery. I actually wish it connected to the battery itself. It would be easier to charge, but I think I'm okay with that. Right there you can see we have a little charging indicator. So here it is, the MOOSOO KB24. I got it put together. I have the battery charged. You'll see when I turn it on, it starts in the high-powered mode, and then you have the opportunity to hit this eco button, which will take it down to the lower-powered mode. I found doing some of these tests that the high-power mode really isn't necessary. The low-power mode seems to be enough. When I run it on high power, it actually sucks up the carpet or the rug. Sorry about that background noise. But here we go. Here I have some sand on the floor. And I'm gonna do a couple passes on low mode, and then I'm gonna do a pass on high mode. And we'll check out the differences. So here we go. So now we're on high. I'm gonna put it down on the eco. And now we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot here. As you can see, that was pretty effective. Now I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up and see what this does on the high mode. So you can pretty much see on both modes, it completely takes the sand up. Awesome. And now for the second test, we are going to try and pick up some rice on the hardwood floor. We'll do it in low power and high power, and then also on the carpet. And we'll see how the KB24 performs. So here we go. First on low. As you can see, that did a pretty good job on low. We'll go ahead and do a pass on high. And that pretty much picked up every piece of rice. So now we'll turn it back on low. We'll head over to the rice on the rug. You can see I pushed a little bit off the edge there. A reminder, this is on low, so now I'm gonna go on high. And you can actually feel the vacuum sticking to the rug. So this is the compartment that catches everything. It's removable. So you can just bring it over to a trash can and you push this button over here and everything pretty much just dumps out straight from the bottom. The only thing I've noticed, you can see there's a tight space on this left-hand side where things seem to get stuck every once in a while and you have to put your finger in there and pull it out. So everyone, what's my final thoughts on the MOOSOO K24? This is actually a really good vacuum. It does a great job at sweeping up on the hardwood floors and on the rug. It's actually very powerful, probably more suction than you need. You know, just a couple of complaints. I think in the back of this container, stuff seems to be stuff gets stuck in this small crevice here and you kind of have to pull it out with your finger. Other than that, everything seems to be great. The battery lasts, I would say, anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes on high, which again, I don't think you really need to use high mode that much. If you keep it on a low setting, you're looking anywhere between 30 and 40 minutes of use, which is perfect for a cordless vacuum. One disclaimer, this actually is my second unit. The first unit I did receive, I was vacuuming the rug and it just shut off on me. So I did not want to keep a vacuum that shut off on me, so I did return the other one. They sent me out a new one, no questions asked, and I have not had any problems since. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those in the comment section, and I would be happy to give you my thoughts.